Hey guys, Carter here with BDS Suspension, and right now on the table I've got the 2 and 3 inch Performance Elite coilover systems for the later model Ram 1500 4-wheel drive trucks. Now the kit right here is actually the 3 inch kit. It's got a little bit taller coilover as well as rear coil springs in it, but everything else between the 2 and 3 is the same, so let's get into it. Got a lot of parts here, let's talk what we got. Now this kit is designed to take full advantage of the factory suspension geometry without overextending operating angles. So it's going to perform great on and off road without causing any issues. Now these 2 to 3 inch kits offer next level performance without the need to overhaul your full suspension like you do with the taller kits, the 4 inch and the 6 inch kits that we offer. Those are great kits, but there's a lot more involved with them. At the heart of these kits, you're going to see this pair of precision tuned FOX 2.5 Performance Elite coilovers. Now they are packed full of race technology designed to bolt right into your Ram. Now they feature a 2.5 aluminum body, which has better heat dispersion than the previous steel body coilovers. They're gonna have a 7/8 inch hardened chrome shaft. They're gonna have proprietary internals. They're gonna have the black anodized ends. And ultimately, they got your reservoir right there. So you get your Dsc adjustable reservoir. Now DSC stands for dual speed compression. Now that adjustment technology has been around a few years for FOX, and it allows for easy adjustment of the high speed and low speed compression adjustment. Now it'll soak up the bumps large and small, and ultimately you have 12 speeds of high speed as well as 12 points of low speed compression adjustment to dial it in for both the terrain you're on, but also your driving style and what you prefer. It's awesome setup, easy to twist the knobs to get it dialed in for just how you want it to do. There's no special tools, no shop adjustment or shop trips to get it all dialed in. Right there, easy to go on the fly. Now you're also gonna get these, you're gonna get brackets to mount your reservoir as well as billet aluminum clamps to put them on. Now, to complement these coilovers, you're gonna get these. These are the BDS Performance upper control arms. Now these are a 1.5 inch heavy wall tubing. They are formed specifically for this application and use an index ball joint cup. Now we use an index ball joint cup to allow more droop travel, but it's also a greasable setup that once you take the cap off, you can get in there to grease and do your regular maintenance there. The other side is going to have pre-installed rubber bushing, so no servicing needed there. Now, for the rear, on the 3 inch kit, we're going to do these replacement coil springs. Now they're a dual rate coil spring, so they're going to ride great on and off road. They offer exceptional ride quality as well as extra load capacity over what the factory has. Now the 2 inch kit does not come with those. It's just going to reuse your factory coil spring, but on 3 inch kit you will get those. Beyond that, you've got 2 options. The standard kit, this right here, our old tried and true BDS Performance IFP shock. It's a 2.0 non-reservoir shock, but if you want to upgrade, we got these right here. These are the 2.5 Performance Elite to match the front. Larger body is going to have the piggyback with the Dsc adjustment on it as well. Those are your upgrade option for both the 2 inch and the 3 inch kits. These kits come right out of the box with everything you need, all the hardware packs, step-by-step instructions, and they're just ready to go. Now all BDS kits come with Factory Protection Plus, which is our ultimate extended warranty that includes BDS's no fine print warranty, ESC system compatibility so that you are performing well on the road and off, as well as a 5-year, 100,000 mile drivetrain warranty to match what you're getting from the factory. Now these kits will improve the look with clearance for up to 33 inch tires, but really take the performance to the next level. So for more on this kit, head to bds-suspension.com.